everyone, and welcome to the channel Insight by GPS Monaco Group. I'm Alexia, Project Manager at GPS Monaco Group, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of sourcing, an essential aspect of supply chain management. In this video, we'll explore in detail how a sourcing process works from start to finish. First, let's define what sourcing is. It's the process of identifying, evaluating, and selecting suppliers or sources of supply. It is a crucial step in ensuring product quality, availability, and profitability. It involves searching for, evaluating, and selecting suppliers or business partners in other countries to obtain the best products at the best price. This process starts with defining our customer's needs. This involves understanding in detail what he's looking for and specifying his needs in terms of quality, quantity, cost, and lead time. Once these needs are clearly defined, it's time for us to look for potential suppliers. In addition to our existing partners, we have been working with dozens and dozens of partner factories for many years, and this search can be carried out using supplier databases, professional networks, trade shows, recommendations, or even online searches on specialized sites. The next step is to evaluate potential suppliers. This involves examining their experience, reputation, production capacity, tooling, compliance with current standards, certification, quality, financial situation, and regulatory compliance. This evaluation audit is essential to reduce risk and guarantee the success of the eyebrow. Once the evaluations have been completed, suppliers are selected on the basis of their suitability for our well-defined product specifications. Negotiations on price, contractual terms, and other details can then begin, especially for customized products. Negotiating contract terms is a critical step in the eyebrow process. This includes discussion of prices, payment terms, delivery times, warranties, late penalties, and other terms and conditions. Clear communication is essential to reach a mutually beneficial agreement. Let's not forget risk management. International transactions often involve risks associated with fluctuating exchange rates, customs regulations, transport problems, and so on. We make sure we can manage these risks and put strategies in place to mitigate them. Once all these negotiations have been completed, a contract is drawn up to formalize the agreements between ourselves and the selected suppliers. All agreed conditions must be clearly specified in the contract to avoid any misunderstandings. Once suppliers have been selected, supply chain management comes into play. This involves monitoring production, obtaining print orders and samples, managing inventory, coordinating logistics, and quality control, ensuring that products and services are delivered in accordance with the terms of the contract. The sourcing process doesn't stop there. It is essential to evaluate suppliers on a regular basis to ensure that they meet quality standards, our deadlines and costs. Relationships with suppliers must be nurtured in order to resolve any problems and foster long-term collaboration. We monitor international market trends, competition, innovations, and industry developments to make informed sourcing decisions. Good intercultural communication skills are a plus. Working with suppliers from a variety of countries and cultures, we are able to communicate effectively and understand cultural nuances to establish successful business relationships. In conclusion, the sourcing process is a critical step in guaranteeing a company's success. It is a complex process that requires planning, research, evaluation, and negotiation. Effective supply chain management depends to a large extent on how sourcing is carried out. Thank you for watching this video. In a future one, I'll explain how to get the most out of your sourcing. Stay tuned for more content on the exciting world of sourcing. See you soon.